We owe the USA an apology. I mean the entire world, because of how much judgment the world has thrown onto the US over the last few years.
Listen to them.
The American people are probably the most genuine, welcoming, humble people that I've ever met in my life.
They're now realizing America is not the place that they thought it was.
I'm just blown away.
America, you deserve an apology. On behalf of all the countries outside America and their media and the narrative they paint about America.
I can't stop watching reactions of people from all over the world seeing America for themselves.
Americans, your country is so beautiful.
America is just like the movies. We saw this school bus on the way back from Fort Worth, Texas State. Do people actually get this to school every single day?
Free samples? Yeah, man. I'm here every day. This place is huge.
This is probably the best store I've ever been to.
Water's free here.
Water's free here?
Yeah.
It's so big. Oh my god. You think you're going there for soccer? No, because the moment you land in America is when it starts.
I ask a medium size. That's medium. Ma che medium? My entire family can drink from here for 1 month.
In America for the World Cup and trying Chick-fil-A for the first time. Let's dig in, shall we? Oh my days.
I love Buc-ee's. It's like a supermarket rest area on steroids.
Don't get me started on the free refills.
You can refill this 1,000 times. And it's free. You paid for it, you paid it. Once. Bro, slow down.
Imagine it, so their condition.
That is the purpose of the World Cup. Unite all the countries of the world. Help each other see that we are more alike than we are different.
Hot dog, packet of crisps, and a drink bigger than my head for $3. Not bad.
That's your first ever bite of Texas barbecue. What do you think?
Amazing!
You can type in what you want and then it will give you a map of where it is in the store.
Here's the aisle.
Oh wow.
I've got me a Walmart chicken burger and I'm gonna prove to you that American food ain't nothing but rubbish. First bite. See, that ain't a... Oh, bloody hell. Why? Why does this taste better than anything I've ever had in the UK?
America, you have single-handedly changed the UK.
America has everything. Every landscape you can think of. Every weather. You go to the East Coast, you go to the West Coast, you go to the Midwest. America has everything.
Total opposite of what they've been told.
Why do you think American people never leave America? You don't need to. It's so beautiful. It's going to be depressing coming back to the UK.
I truly believe the World Cup was meant to be in the US because of the impact. Having other people from outside of this country coming in, celebrating all there is to see and all the fun and all the food.
You don't need a knife?
Take your fingers and you lift that up and you eat it.
Okay.
Not with a fork.
Okay. Absolutely. Mate, cheers.
Cheers.
To the best ribs in America.
Australia every single day. It is so good.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think you'll take away from your visit here in the United States, back to Germany?
Ranch.
Even our ranch dressing.
You're in a movie. Oh my god, I'm on this movie set.
Howdy.
The World Cup is going to be something that stays in memories and will live on for years to come. Here in Boston, where we have seen such incredible joy and happiness about Americans. They will get involved, welcome you, they will become one with you. That is just what they are. That is the nature of these people. Even though I am not Scottish, I am so proud of how they're representing us and the energy they have brought to the city. And when the Scots find out that we actually live in Boston, they keep saying to us, why would you ever come back? You're not going to come back, are you? And I'm like, no, of course not.
What touches me the most is what these reactions really reveal about humanity.
Americans, do you know what is absolutely crazy? The fact that your country now feels more like home than our own country.
I can't stop watching because I'm so totally in love with humanity. We are living a time where the algorithm feeds division. It can start to feel like humanity is just broken and there is no hope. But then you see these moments.
Americans got to know soccer. The sport's diehard fans from around the globe discovered us.
You have a spare kilt I can borrow? You can just have mine. I'll take it right off.
Oh, he's going to lend me his kilt.
And I'm true Scotsman. There's nothing underneath.
You see people from one part of the world going to another part of the world, being met with kindness, love, and generosity. People helping each other. The World Cup really truly represents the World Cup of hope. It really gives me hope for our future, for humanity, for this beautiful world of ours.
Rock Chalk, Algeria.
And even in a fractured world, soccer creating moments of unity.
I am heaven hope, and where there's heaven, there's hope.
Iran's national team leaving a locker room note behind. Thank you, Los Angeles, for your hospitality. May peace, respect, and friendship prevail among all nations.
Imagine a world living in peace.